Okay, another example. Given as the coordinates. So the center is 0, 0, or it is in the origin. And then the focus is positive negative 5, 0, and then the vertex is positive negative 7, 0. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang may value lang is yung h. Tingnan nyo sa focus at saka sa vertex. Di ba yung value lang is nasa h? Yung k natin is 0. So, di ba ang alam natin, yung h is x at saka yung k is 0. So, dito pa lang malalaman na natin kung major vertical axis or major horizontal axis yung gagamitin natin. Pero kung medyo naguluhan kayo, pwede nyo naman siyang i-plot. So, di ba itong positive, negative, ganito siya. So, focus 1 is 5, 0. Focus 2 is negative 5, 0. And then the vertex 1, it's 7, 0. For vertex 2, it is negative 7, 0. So, i-plot natin siya para mas clear sa inyo agad kung naguguluhan kayo kung ganito lang yung given. So, i-plot natin siya para malaman natin kung ano ba yung types of ellipse na gagamitin. So, focus, positive 5, 0. So, ito yung h natin, ito yung k. So, h, horizontal. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yung focus 1. Negative 5, 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito, focus 2. And then, vertex. Positive 7, 0. So, 5, 6, 7. Vertex 1. 5, 6, 7, vertex 2. So now, we have to find the value of our W1 and W2. Okay? Remember that the focus is C, the vertices is A, and then the co-vertices is B. So the focus here, the value is 5, so C is 5, and then B, we're going to find the V or the co-vertices kasi wala yung value na yon. So, to find B, you have to use the formula where it is the C squared is equals to A squared minus B squared. Okay, so substitute natin tayo. So, what is the value of our C? It is 5 squared equals, what is the value of our A? It is 7. So, 7 squared minus b squared. So, kailangan natin si b. So, kailangan ilipat ng transpose to the other side. So, magiging ang negative b squared magiging positive b squared. So, b squared is equals to 7 squared. So, yung positive 5 squared, pag i-transpose sa kabila, magiging negative 5 squared. So, b squared is equals to, what is 7 squared? It is 49 minus what is this 5 squared? 25. So, therefore, our b squared is equals to 24. Okay? Or our b, the value of our b is equals to 4.9. Okay? So, ang value ng b natin is 4.9. The value of a, so yung given natin, so napapansin nyo, yung vertex at saka focus, nakalay siya sa horizontal. Ibig sabihin, yung major or yung ellipse na gagamitin natin is yung major horizontal axis, which is the equation is x squared. Since it is the origin or the center is in the origin, so x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared is equals to 1. Okay? So, ayan, sinaburan natin to ha. Para i-plot natin ng mabuti yung b squared. So, yung b squared natin, di ba 4.9? So, magiging, so, b squared, ibig sabihin nasa y-axis siya. So, yung 4.9 nasa k. So, 0, positive 4.9. Then, 0, negative 4.9. Okay, for the C, Ito yung C natin. So, nasa horizontal. So, 5, 0. And then, negative 5, 0. Okay, for the vertex, which is 7. So, 7, 0. And then, negative 7, 0. So, di ba 4.9? So, magbilang lang tayo dito. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, bago siya mag-5, dito siya banda. So, ito yung W1 natin. So, ito naman, 0, negative 4.9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bago siya mag-5 dito. So, W2. So, let's connect. Pwede natin ito para mas maganda tignan yung ellipse natin. Ayan. Okay. So the equation for this given is x squared over, substitute natin what is the value of our a squared. It is 49 plus y squared over, what is our b? It is 24 is equals to 1. So ito po yung equation sa given na to. Clear? Okay, another example for the ellipse. We are going to locate the coordinates of the center, the foci, the vertices and the vertices, and the given, which is x plus 3 squared of all over 24 plus close open brackets y minus 5 squared over 49 is equals to 1. If it is not in the center or the origin, it is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared is equals to 1 if it is major horizontal axis. If it is vertical, it is y minus k squared over a squared plus x minus h squared over b squared is equals to 1 where it is major vertical axis. Okay, so having this equation, remember that a is greater than b. So si a yung maglo-locate kung ano yung major axis na gagamitin natin. So which one is greater, 24 or 49? It is 49. Therefore, A is 49 and our B is 24. So, what is the value of, so we're going to use this formula since, ano yung kasama ni A? Diba ito yung A natin, ito yung B. So, ano yung kasama ni A? It is Y. So, it means it is major vertical axis. So, we're going to use this one. So, having this center. To locate the center for this equation, ilipat mo lang yung 3, positive 3 sa labas, magiging negative 3. Okay? Kasi negative times negative, positive, tapos 3. Kaya nagiging negative 3. Kasi pag i-multiply mo to sa negative, magiging positive. Kaya magiging x plus 3. Yeah. So, this is the value for h. To get the value for y, okay. So, negative 5. So, the value of our k is 5. So, we already locate the center. Okay. Next, what is the value of our a? The value of our a squared is equals to 49. And then the value of our b squared is equals to 24. Okay. Okay, now to look at the c squared, so what times c squared, we have to use the formula c squared is equals to a squared minus b squared. So what is the value of our a squared? It is 49 minus, what is b squared? 24. Therefore, the c squared is equals to 25. So value of our c squared is 25. So now, what is a squared? What is a? It is positive, negative 7. For b squared, it is positive, negative 4.9. For the c squared, it is positive, negative 5. Now, having this one, now how to locate the points since it is already not located at the origin. So the first thing is that for the A, or for the vertex, let's do first for the vertex, vertex 1, and then the vertex 2. And let's go like this one. Okay, vertex 1, copy the center, it is negative 3, and then 5. So, since it is vertical, so ibig sabihin, dito lang tayo mag-add. Okay, mag-add or magma-minus. So, what is the value of our A? Diba vertex natin si A? So, what is our A? It is positive and negative 7. So, let's do first the positive. So, positive 7. I-add mo siya sa center natin dun sa K. And then, for the vertex 2, copy mo sa center ha. Negative 3, 5. Then, next one, we're already done with the positive. So, negative naman tayo. Negative 7. Okay. Simplify. So, vertex 1 is negative 3. 5 plus 7, it is 12. So, for vertex 2, negative 3. 5 minus 7 is 2. What is greater? The positive 5 or negative 7? It is positive or negative 7. So, it will be negative 2. So, we already have the value of vertex 1 and then vertex 2. Next, we're going to do the focus. So, the F1, the same thing with the vertex. Copy lang natin yung center, negative 3, comma, 5. What is our C? It is positive 5, so plus 5. For the F2, negative 3, copy sa center, 5. What is next? We're already done with the positive 5, so negative 5 naman. So, F1 is negative 3. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. And then for the F2, it is negative 3. So, 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. So, for F1, it's negative 3, 10. And then for F2, it's negative 3, 0. Okay. So, for the co-vertices, it is W1. So, dito, diba, since it is major vertical axis, so dito tayo sa K nag-adjust. Ngayon naman, since it W1, di ba ang W1, pag vertical siya, yung minor natin is nasa horizontal. So, dito naman tayo sa H mag-adjust. So, negative 3, what is the value of RB? It is positive negative 49. So, positive first, positive 4.9, comma, 5, vertex. For the W2, it is negative 3. Already done with positive, so negative 4.9, comma, 5. Okay. Next, let's simplify. So, for the W1, negative 3 plus 4.9, it is positive negative. It is positive 1.9. Since it is the positive 4.9 is bigger than negative 3. So, then 5. For the W2, negative 3 minus 4.9. Same sila ng sign, so it means addition yung operation natin. So, magiging negative 7.9, 5. So, we already have the value of the vertex, the focus, or the foci, and then the co-vertices. So, now, we're going to plot. Okay, so here, so it's 1, 2, 3. Here's our negative 3. And then for 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here, so here. Here is our center. Okay. So next, the value of our vertices. So it's 5 here. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, it's here. So negative 3 here. So this is our vertex 1. For the vertex 2, it's negative 3, negative 2. So 1, 2, it's here. Negative 2, negative 3, negative 2. So this is the vertex 2. Now let's locate for the focus 1. Focus 1 is negative 3, positive 10. So negative 3, positive 10. So it is 12, 11, 10. So it's here. This is a focus 1. For the focus 2, it is negative 3, 0. 3. This is negative 3. This your y is 0. So it's here. So this is your, this is your focus 1. This is your focus 2. Okay. So this is the line. Remember si vertices at si foci is always collinear with the center. Collinear, magkasama sila sa isang line. And the next, we're going to do the W1, W2 or the co-vertices. So it's located at in 1.9, 5. So 1.9 positive, so it's here. So bago mag 2, it's here. So 5. So it's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's here. So this is your W1. How about your W2? W2 is negative 7, 9. So let's count. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is your here's your negative 7 and then your 5. So it's here. So this is your W2. W2. Okay, so let's form an ellipse. Ayan siya. Okay. Kuha.